I definitely want to know how I got to the point where I am remotely driving a giant croc with a campfire inside. Welcome back guys to another devlog. Today, oh, you know what? This is devlog number 10. This is a little gold, that's awesome. Today we're gonna see one of the most important things in a game. Probably you will have already read it from the title. Today we're gonna make butterflies. Just kidding, we're gonna make an airship. Or start making it, because you know that's gonna take some time. It's not one day task. To start this little journey, of course I have to model something. Keep in mind that I will model a placeholder for the airship, so it's going to be something really simple, like a 5 minutes model, just to make some code for driving, you know, test it and stuff like that, and then replace it with the real model. Okay, so let's switch to Blender. Keep in mind that I'm not a modeler. Please don't bully me. I'm kind of beginner. I'm more a developer, I guess. Maybe not even that. But anyway, let me turn on the screencast keys. Maybe it might be useful for someone. I will speed up the process because otherwise, trust me, it's going to be boring and we will see at the end. Hi, I come from the future and I thought to use this little space to introduce the airship. It's meant for long distances and you will be able to live in it, providing power supply, farming, and so on. So this way you can play the game in different ways. You can live on an island, you can just travel and live in the airship. You know, you can do whatever you want. And it's a good thing for me to give the player many ways to play the game, and it's also good for replayability. And that's one of the most important things in a game for me. This is pretty much done, and honestly it reminds me of something. But anyway, let's export it and get into Unity to check it. It really seems to be like I'm in a giant sandal, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it like that because it's just a placeholder. It's fine, yeah. Maybe I would just add a little bit more light into the covered parts. So I'm gonna make some holes on top of it. Apart from the fact that this is horribly looking, I think we have done great progress. Literally, now I have Crocs instead of sandals, which is good. So things kind of got out of control here. I guess I have some scale problems. At first glance seems to be due to wrong exporting from Blender, but honestly this somehow looks cool. I'm gonna try to jump on the helm, which if I'm not wrong is at the very bottom. Okay, this seems to be a big fail. Fail again. I guess this is the biggest fail, but yeah, let's go back to serious stuff. Alright, I made the helm to this ship so I can drive it. A bunch of buttons as well. And because I feel alone in this giant croc thing, I'm gonna place a campfire. And now I'm ready to code a little bit. So I will use this button to move this kind of airship. I'll write the code and I will be back. Alright, seems to be working. It's still not complete, but it's just the basis to build something on. Basically, there are two buttons to go up and down, and two more to go back and forward. At the end of this process, probably the driving system is going to be a little bit more complex because I have the feeling that this is not enough. I mean, it's just 4 buttons and a helm to change the direction, but at the same time, I want to keep it intuitive. So yeah, this is going to be a nice challenge. I also have to decide which fuel to use. Actually, I'm thinking to use power because I already made the wind power generator and I'm sure there will be many ways to make power, but the fuel is a good idea as well, so I'll figure that out. Okay, that's it for this devlog. I will end the video with a little footage of me showing off my drive skills.